The Akko Botany switch is here. It is a very light linear switch that sounds great and looks great as well. Here's a quick sound test so you guys can hear how they sound right out of the box.